Hi kids! Today, our topic is about multiplication by one-digit number. Let's start. Multiplying by one-digit number. Let us begin with the easy ones. We have 4 times 2. So 4 times 2 is 8. How about 40 times 2? In here, since we have 0 here, we just have to multiply 4 and 2 again, which is 8, and simply copy 0. So 40 times 2 is equal to 80. Same with 400 times 2. 400 times 2, again, multiply 4 times 2, which is equal to 8. Count the zeros, 1, 2, and copy 2 zeros here. So 400 times 2 is 800. How about 4,000 times 2? The same thing, 4 times 2 is equal to 8. Then copy the zeros. 1, 2, 3. So we have 8,000. 4,000 times 2 is 8,000. Let's try to multiply 1,403 by 2. How are we going to do this? First, let's write it down. 1,403 times 2. In solving for multiplication, we have to make sure that the place values are aligned to each other. So since we only have one multiplier, meaning this is in ones place, we have to place it in the same place value, which is ones. Okay, now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to multiply it one by each digit, starting from the ones place. So 3 times 2 is equal to 6. Then 0 times 2 is equal to 0. Next, 4 times 2 is equal to 8. And 1 times 2 is equal to 2. So the answer here is 2,806. By the way, do you still remember the parts of multiplication? 1,403 is what we call the multiplicand. Two is the multiplier. And 2,806 is what we call the product. Let us continue with our next example. Multiply 5,232 times 3. Again, let's write it. 5,232 times 3. So again, we are going to multiply each digit one by one, starting from the ones place. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 2 times 3 is 6. And 5 times 3 is 50. So the product is 15,696. Let us try 3,534 times 3. Again, let's multiply it one by one, starting from the ones place value. 4 times 3 is equal to 12. But instead of writing 12 here, we just have to write 2 and let 1 carry by 3. So 3 times 3 is equal to 9 plus 1 will be equal to 10. Write down 0, carry 1. 5 times 3 is equal to 15. Plus 1 is equal to 16. So write down 6, carry 1. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Plus 1 is equal to 10. Now we can write down 10 here because we don't have more numbers to multiply. The product of 3,534 and 3 is 10,602. Let's have the last example. 3,754 times 4. 4 times 4 is equal to 16. Write down 6, carry 1. 5 times 4 is equal to 20. Plus 1, it's 21. Write down 1, carry 2. 7 times 4 is 28. Plus 2 is 30. Write down 0, carry 3. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. Plus 3 is equal to 15. So 3,754 times 4 is 15,016. Now it's your turn. As what we always do, you will be given a time to do the work, or you may pause this video so that you will be having enough time to answer the questions. Let us start. Multiply 321 by 3. (321) times 3 is 3 times 1, 3, 3 times 2, 6, 3 times 3, 9. The answer is 963. Next we have multiply 497 by 4. (497) times 4 is equal to 7 times 4 is 28. Write down 8, carry 2. 9 times 4 is 36. Plus 2 is 38. Write down 8. Carry 3. 4 times 4 is equal to 16. Plus 3 is equal to 19. So the answer is 1,988. 647 times 8. 647 times 8. 7 times 8 is equal to 56. Write down 6, carry 5. 4 times 8 is equal to 32. Plus 5 is 37. Write down 7, carry 3. 6 times 8 is equal to 48. Plus 3 is equal to 51. So the answer here is 5,176. I hope you learned something from Teacher Awit. Till next time!